Hello everyone, and welcome to TDC Daily Life. Today, we're taking a journey back in time to explore a fascinating period in human history. Have you ever wondered what life was like for our earliest ancestors? Well, get ready to be amazed as we uncover the secrets of the Stone Age. The Stone Age was truly the dawn of human civilization, a time when our distant relatives first began to shape the world around them. Imagine a world without smartphones, cars, or even basic tools. That's where our story begins. These early humans had to rely on their ingenuity and the resources nature provided to survive and thrive. Let's start with the basics. The Stone Age got its name from the primary material our ancestors used to craft their tools and weapons. You guessed it, stone! These weren't just any rocks, though early humans carefully selected and shaped stones to create sharp edges and points, perfect for cutting, scraping, and hunting. Speaking of hunting, that was a major part of Stone Age life. Our ancestors were expert trackers and hunters, using their stone-tipped spears and arrows to bring down everything from small game to massive woolly mammoths. But they weren't just carnivores. Gathering wild plants, fruits, and nuts was equally important for their survival. Now, let's talk about one of the most groundbreaking discoveries of the Stone Age: fire. Can you imagine how life-changing it must have been when humans first learned to control and create fire? It wasn't just about staying warm on cold nights. Fire provided protection from predators, allowed for cooking food which made it easier to digest and safer to eat, and created a focal point for social gatherings. In many ways, fire was the spark that ignited human civilization as we know it. As time went on, Stone Age humans became more sophisticated in their skills and knowledge. They learned to make clothing from animal hides, construct shelters to protect themselves from the elements, and even create simple jewelry and decorative items. This shows that even in those early days, humans had a desire for beauty and self-expression. One of the most incredible legacies of the Stone Age is cave art. Deep in caverns across the world, our ancestors left behind stunning paintings and engravings depicting their daily lives, the animals they encountered, and perhaps even their spiritual beliefs. These ancient artworks give us a window into their world and remind us that creativity and storytelling have always been fundamental to the human experience. But the Stone Age wasn't just about individual achievements. It was a time when humans began to form stronger social bonds and work together in larger groups. This cooperation was key to survival, allowing for more efficient hunting, gathering, and protection from threats. It's fascinating to think that the foundations of our modern societies were laid during this ancient time. As we reflect on the Stone Age, it's important to recognize the incredible journey of human progress it represents. Every tool invented, every new technique discovered, was a step forward for our species. The curiosity that drove early humans to experiment with different materials and methods is the same drive that pushes modern scientists to explore the cosmos and develop new technologies. The resilience of Stone Age humans is truly inspiring. They faced harsh environments, dangerous predators, and countless challenges we can hardly imagine today. Yet they not only survived but thrived, adapting to their surroundings and constantly improving their way of life. It's a powerful reminder of the strength and adaptability of the human spirit. At TDC Daily Life, we believe that understanding our past is crucial for appreciating our present and shaping our future. The story of the Stone Age teaches us valuable lessons about innovation, cooperation, and perseverance. It shows us that progress often comes in small steps, but those steps can lead to incredible transformations over time. Think about it. Without the courage and creativity of those early Stone Age humans, we wouldn't have the advanced societies and technologies we enjoy today. Every time you use a tool, cook a meal, or gather with friends around a fire, you're connecting with a legacy that stretches back thousands of years. The Stone Age also reminds us of our deep connection to the natural world. Our ancestors lived in harmony with their environment, using only what they needed and understanding the delicate balance of ecosystems. In our modern world, where environmental concerns are more pressing than ever, we could learn a lot from this ancient wisdom. As we wrap up our journey through the Stone Age, let's take a moment to appreciate the incredible story of human progress it represents. From the first stone tools to the complex societies we have today, every generation has built upon the knowledge and achievements of those who came before. It's a testament to the power of human ingenuity and collaboration. The Stone Age may seem like ancient history, but its legacy lives on in each of us. The next time you face a challenge or need to solve a problem, remember the resourcefulness of your Stone Age ancestors. Who knows? You might just tap into that same spirit of innovation that helped them survive and thrive. At TDC Daily Life, we're passionate about bringing history to life and showing how it connects to our world today. We hope this glimpse into the Stone Age has sparked your curiosity and given you a new appreciation for the long journey of human civilization. Before we go, we'd love to hear from you. What aspect of Stone Age life intrigues you the most? Is it the tool making, the cave art, or perhaps the social dynamics of early human groups? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We have many more fascinating stories from history to share with you. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release new content. Thank you for joining us on this prehistoric adventure. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, every great journey begins with a single step, just like our Stone Age ancestors. Goodbye for now, and we'll see you in our next historical expedition.